Hi everybody, it's Stephanie and I'm glad to be here to show you my pots, okay? These are like my saucepan pots. I think they're exactly the same size. But one of them is this one is a Cuisinart. That's my Cuisinart right there, stainless steel. And this one is it's called CookNHome. It's a CookNHome pot. Now, I'll tell you the things I like about the pot. Well, this one, first of all, I like both of them because they're stainless steel. Hands down, I like stainless steel, making gravy or something like that. I want to use whatever spoon I happen to have in my hand. I don't have to pick a spoon that's rubber and it won't scratch nothing. It's stainless steel. It really don't scratch, so it's good. Then this pan right here has this bottom for, that's good for the heating, the distribution of the heat. So that's really good about that. The handle is generally cool. I can't say enough about it. I really like this pot. I think that this top goes with this pot. I really don't know, but I think it really goes with this pot. But the thing about both of these pots is these tops are interchangeable. So if you have one, they usually fit another one anyway. So that's what I'm going to tell you about the top. Now this one here is my Cuisinart. The Cuisinart also got a nice weight to it, okay? This Cuisinart also has this heating thing around it that has good heating distribution, and it is a great pot. I use these gravy makers. That's what I'm gonna call them. My little gravy maker pots when I'm making like a can of string beans, just anything you need a little saucepan or pot for soup, whatever. You always need one of these. And I like both of these. So I just wanted to show them to you just like that.